Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike and my wife Chantel and our two beautiful daughters Veronica and Danica. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the coop build. So far we got the structure built and the siding up. Now we got to start working on the trim, doors, and all that kind of fun stuff. So stick around. Hope you guys like today's video.
Ronnie!
Rotten Ronnie!
What are you building? Chicken coop!
Taylor cut up some trim. Just finished up my door. Pretty happy with the way that turned out. Now, work on the 2 coop doors and we'll trim them out. Just like this one, I just tried one out here. See how it works. Now there's something making noise. Go right there. Just like that. Lay this guy out. Trim these. And got a 45.
Stop or keep it going. Stay or say farewell. How bad could it really be? Only time will tell. Put out the light, put out the light, put out the light, or let it glow. Put out the light, put out the light, put out the light, or let it glow. Ride out the rain or roll onward. Now down to the wire. Blow out the flame or hold onward. Out here comes the fire now. It's a make or break decision. So much on the line. Something's gonna happen real soon. Running out of time. Put out the light, put out the light, put out the light, or let it glow. Ride out the rain or roll onward. Now down to the wire. Blow out the flame or hold on.
Alright, now I'm going to trim around my doors. Find the easiest way to do this is just lay it out, mark it, come over here, cut it, take the square, square it off.
Pull up the root or let it grow. Hope that you're right, hope that you're right, hope that you're right, hope that you know. Hope that you're right, hope that you're right, hope that you're right, hope that you know. Ride out the rain or roll onward. Now down to the wire. Blow out the flame or hold on. Out here comes.
We'll get these guys installed next. Now I'm going to trim out my door and hang my hinges on it so it can open and close. I'm just trying to debate whether I want it to open this way. Measure twice, cut once. Never snug. A little too snug. Wow. I can carry on trimming the doors. This one first.
Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I just wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life.
Well, another night's work done. I got the doors installed, got the hinges on, all the trim on there, put up the door, and built a little window on this side. Since that's going to be south facing, I'd like to get some light in through the south. I was kind of thinking I should have, instead of doing this pattern, I should have put another window in here that I could open with the screen. Something for later if I think about it. Next, maybe tomorrow because it's getting late, I'll do the roof and finish up all the trim on the sides here. And then we got to insulate it, put in some kind of wall panel in there so that way the insulation stays dry. I'll be pretty happy with it when it's outside and I can build a run on it and get those chickens in there a few more weeks and they'll be here and we'll have them in the brooder, so I got lots of time.
This is what life's about, love. We just can't live without love. I know without a doubt, love, we're gonna figure it out. I know, we'll run the race before us. I'll go.
So we picked up some paint from our local co-op, just exterior flat paint, latex, should withstand a few years outside. Didn't want to do any toxic paint because I'm gonna paint with the little ones here. So we'll open this up and we'll paint these white, right?
Wait.
We're walking together through any weather.
Excellent job, kiddo.
Yeah.
You and I, side by side. We can't go anywhere when the sun is shining and the world is smiling, and it's you and I, side by side. It's even brighter together. When we're together, we are stronger. We can lift each other when we're falling. I got your back and you got
White trim, and should look good. We were debating going red, but we already have a red barn, and the playhouse is kind of the same color as this, matches the house, so I think it'll bring more property value to our place, having all the outbuildings matching. And I'm just going to do one light coat, and then I'll come back over after and do another coat on top. It is a latex paint, and it does need multiple coats. We did opt to maybe stain it, but at the same time, you have to stain it every other year. You got to paint it white every other year too, same as we do our barns, so it doesn't make a difference really.
You can find us on our way, forever in a new place.
Actually, what I should be using is the roller.
Tomorrow starts today. We're moving so we can't stay. No paths are the ones we make. We ain't doing the same thing. We escape like renegades, living for the next chase. New horizons calling to us, never stop. Every time.
So I got the first coat on, and then we'll do another coat. But I kind of like the white on beige. I think it'll look pretty good. We'll have lots of room for our chickens.
Ben is a barista with a house he can't afford. It's filled with antique furniture that he pays monthly for. His mom fronted him cash to buy some new recording gear, but it's cool cause he can pay her back when he hits it big next year. Oh, what are we gonna do when we find out we don't own anything? The things we need most are free, but we buy books just for looks. Plants we can't kill, we want all the pretty things with no responsibility. Jen got a promotion, she gave it to herself. Multi-level marketing helps friends pay all her bills. She opened up her Etsy.
Still snow on the ground. End of March, almost coming into April, and not much we can do about it. Long walk back from the shop. Which planting?
Peppers.
Peppers.
Peppers are gonna get big, and I want to start some new seeds in these containers. We got some more peppers, some soapwort, some more herbs.
Cauliflower?
Yeah.
Just a couple friends in the back of the car. Got the wind in our hair. Living for the moment, 'cause that's who
What's that? Is that a door? Pull down. Good job. And then what do? You pull it? Ooh,
What are you doing there, kiddo?
grab eggs.
That's where the chicken's eggs go. And then what do? You close it?
Yeah.
Good job. No, you gotta go up. Turn. Here, you wanna go inside? And see, I put a latch on it.
Need to get a little step stool. We have steps.
No, that's a board to keep the litter in, so you'll have to pull this out. And then you can go in.
Clean it up.
Yeah, we'll clean it up. We gotta clean up all the excess pieces of wood, and I still gotta build the boxes. I don't know. You can't touch the roof. You silent? The chicken coop?
Look, Veronica, get up there.
Are you a chicken? Are you riding my old tractor? Push. Here. I'll help you. Keep it straight. There. Better? There. Got the roof on. Then we just need to tin it. What's wrong? Just having fun playing inside? Are you having fun playing inside?
Yeah. Out.
Okay.
I want to play on
I spy a chicken coop. What do you spy?
Three.
The Winnebago?
No.
Yeah.
No.
What?
A tractor.
Oh, your tractor. That's green. You're right. So we got the roof on, all the trim painted. I still have a few more pieces on the far side to finish up, and then we can pretty much pull this thing outside and it's just about ready to go. But one reason we wanted to do chickens this year and add it to our garden is because we really like the idea of creating our own compost. Buying compost can get expensive, whereas chickens make short work of compost. Like, you throw all your grass clippings, anything brown, green, and put it all in one, and they mix it all up and turn it into compost. So it's really great. And the chickens feed the garden feeds the chicken. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Whew. Chili. Where are you going, Danica? Garlic butter. Checked in the corn.
Pretty much done. The cheese is melted.
We take the road that goes in circles for forever until the lines get intertwined forevermore.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more family fun adventures in Alberta.